Hey y'all, it's Kiki and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. As you can see from the title, we will be doing a wig install. Purchased this wig from Klaiyi here on Amazon. I think I spent like $143 on this wig. And guys, you see it came out perfect. So I had to put you guys on. And I was happy with my outcome on how this install came out. Like, I love it. So guys, if you would like to see how I installed this wig, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at lavishLooks_by_Kiki. And yeah, look at this, guys. I plucked the lace, even though it pretty much came plucked, so I didn't have to do much. The baby hairs was out. Like, I love the color. I love the color. And yeah, like, this hair was just perfect. Look at it. You see it. Did you purchase it yet? You better go to Amazon. Get it in 2 days. So, like I told you, this hair came from Klaiyi here on Amazon. Inside the box, they gave me some nice lashes. Very fluffy and full. A wig cap with 2 caps inside. The stretch band for your lace. And there's that wig. You see how that blended in with my skin. Don't mind my veins. But you see it was a 13x4 transparent lace. And that is the curling iron that I purchased. But yeah, guys, let's go. Look at her. Pretty, just like me. Period. Let's install her. I'm so silly. Yes, guys, I'm sorry. I had to have me a glass of wine. Cheers to this wig install, because something about wig installs make me nervous, so I have to calm my nerves. So I either got to have me a Red Bull or a glass of wine, so that is what I am doing right now. So if you need a glass of wine too, if you're 21 and older, have you a glass of wine with me while you watch this install of me applying this wig and being silly at the same damn time. But yeah, guys, look at this. And I ain't even put no foundation on it. Like, I'm like, hold up, I'm gonna put the foundation, but I don't even fucking need it. Like, okay, Klaiyi hair, like, oh shit. Okay. All right, get whatever foundation powder or liquid foundation that you're going to use. Put it all over your lace, unless you are going to bleach your knots, which I don't do that because I don't know how. So, yeah, you see it blended in with my skin. So now we're going to put this wig on my big old head. And we're going to get this girl on here, okay? Look, I had did the pin curls, and my son knocked the, what is it, tripod or whatever that is called that you put your wig on. He knocked that thing over about 10 times. Them curls ain't stand a chance. So, yeah, as you can see, they're all loose and stuff now, thanks to my beautiful baby. But, yes, guys, so now I'm just pulling the wig to see where I need to cut the ear tabs. This makes me nervous because I be scared that I'm going to cut too much and then the wig going to be too short. But I made sure I concentrated and I was focused and I cut them ear tabs the right way, and it wasn't uncomfortable. Because one time I cut a wig and then them shits, I didn't cut it right and it was still too much and the back of my ear was killing me. I had to go back and cut some more, but this time I did it just right. Told you, 2023, I'm going to learn how to do my own wigs. I'm not playing. But guys, I am not going to talk through this whole video. So as you can see, I am applying my bold hold glue. I'm going to do 3 layers, dry it each time. So then you see, you're going to let it dry, get clear, sticky. Did 3 layers because I need this to last for a week. And then, guys, it's So now just finish watching everything that I'm doing because I'm not going to talk through this whole video. And I'll see you guys at the end. Bye.
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I tried to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As the sad story goes, baby, now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Return of the man. Come on. Return of the man. Oh my God. You know that I'll be back. Here I am. Return of the man. Once again. Return of the man. Top of the world. Return of the man. Watch my flow. You know that I'll be back. Here I go. So I'm back up in the game. Running thanks to take my spine. Letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. Cause what they did, they know was wrong. And all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me. And she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me. But you did. But you did. You lied to me. All this pain you said I never did. You lied to me. But I do. But I do. Return of the man. Return of the man. Come on. Return of the man. Oh my God. You know that I'll be back. Here I am. Return of the man. Once again. Return of the man. Top of the world. Return of the man. Watch my flow. Don't you know?
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we be making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous swine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hold my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
And just like that, guys, I am done. You see, I am all smiles. I love the way this install came out. I love the color. I love the color. I didn't get any shedding, but we will stay tuned for that. I'm going to record again to let you guys know how everything goes after I had this wig on for a week. But guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at lavishlooks_by Kiki. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.